and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, April 12th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now here is our kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our friendly Falcons. Yay!
We have a few friendly Falcons today. Brielle in Miss Winfrey's room was nominated by Kayla because she's sweet, kind, and a great friend, and helps her when she needs it. Abigail in Miss Vitash's room was nominated by Nikki because when she is sad, Abigail cheered her up. Alyssa in Miss Vitash's room was nominated by Samari for being a good friend at all times. Great job and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Today is the start of Ramadan, which is a month-long period of fasting in the Islamic religion and is one of the most holy months. Ramadan fosters a sense of self-control, gratitude, and compassion for those less fortunate. So to our friends who celebrate Ramadan Kareem.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 82 and a low 55. Happy birthday to Matthias in 5th grade, Jasmine in 5th grade, Khalees in 5th grade, Erica in pre-K.
Happy birthday! Today is National Grilled Cheese Sandwich Day. Today we honor and celebrate the beloved sandwich known as the grilled cheese sandwich.
Today in history, in 1968, President Johnson signs the 1968 Civil Rights Act.
In the headlines, Jersey Mike's donated 100% of sales from 1,900 stores. The goal was to raise $8 million during the annual month of giving, between customer donations and 100% in sales. The sandwich company donated almost double the goal. The results are more impressive this year considering the pandemic.
Today's fun fact is Sweden has 267,570 islands, the most of any country in the world.
Wow. Now for the joke of the day. Hey Alexis, what is the best thing about Switzerland?
I don't know what.
I don't know, but the flag is a big plus.
That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Alexis.
And I'm Kayla. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum ba dum bum 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 bum.